If you've ever wondered whether you can favorite important content in OneDrive, the short answer is that OneDrive doesn't directly offer a true favorite or important label for many current versions. But don't worry, there are still simple ways to organize the files and folders you need to access fast. In this video, I'll show you the best workaround on both the web version and Windows desktop so you can keep important content easy to find. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser and sign in with your Microsoft account. Once you're inside, take a look at the interface and notice that there usually isn't a direct option to mark a file as important or favorite the way some other apps do. That means we need to use a smart organization method instead of a built-in favorite button. If you're using OneDrive on the web, the easiest method is to create a dedicated folder for your most important files. At the top of the page, click Create. From the menu, choose Folder. Now type a folder name that makes sense to you, like Important, Favorites, or Quick Access. This helps you separate the files you need most from everything else in your cloud storage. Once you've entered the name, click Create. Now go to the file that you want to keep close at hand. Select the important file, then click Move To. OneDrive will ask you where you want to place it, so choose the folder you just created, like Important or Favorites. After that, click Move. The file is now stored inside your special folder, which makes it much easier to locate later. You can repeat this for any other files you want to group together. This is a great workaround because even though OneDrive may not have a true favorite feature, you're still building your own fast access system. When you need something important, you just open that folder instead of searching through all your documents, photos, or shared files. If you're on Windows desktop, there's another helpful option. Open File Explorer and then open your Microsoft OneDrive folder. Find the folder you want to access quickly, then right-click it. From the menu, choose Pin to Quick Access. This will place the folder in the Quick Access section in File Explorer, making it much faster to open whenever you need it. Just keep in mind that this mainly works for folders, not individual files. So if you want to favorite a single file, the best method is still to place it inside a dedicated folder and then pin that folder for quick access. That gives you the fastest and cleanest organization system. So while OneDrive doesn't directly let you mark files as favorite in many versions, you can absolutely create your own favorites workflow using folders, move commands, and quick access on Windows. It's simple, effective, and a great way to stay organized. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.